to smash the lock off. Good morning. Today's the day we start work on the house. When I say we, I mean the people we've got coming in to do the work, because we can't do it. We haven't got the scoobiest of doos. So I'm off now to meet Linda and her team of boys that she's got coming in to start the work. I've been up since 5:30, which is 3:30 UK time, because I'm rather excited. And here we are, look, all sat ready and waiting to be knocked and bashed about, and all the demolition starting. How exciting! I cannot wait. Managed to get the gates open, had to smash the lock off to get it open because it was jammed solid. That was a good start, but we do now have the gates open, and Linda's just upstairs with the boys. She's explaining what we want doing and how we want it doing, but not much to it really. It's just a case of smash away. The boys have only been at it for 40 minutes, and I'm just about to have a quick look to see how far what they've actually managed. Oh wow! Well, that's coming down. How's it going? Is he actually up in the roof?
Yes, sir.
Crazy! Can actually get down the front of the house now, because James has been clearing all this. So work started 5.5 hours ago. I showed you this morning all the front and everything. How amazing! A load of dust, but look at all this. That's been cleared. Look at it all cleared. Wow! 5.5 hours and we have a full roof gone, plus a window or two and another one. And just look at what they've done in 5 hours. Not only has James done the front, he's actually been round and done all the sides and this bit too. Oh wow, we can actually see the old sink. But just look at how different this all looks. I can't believe the difference in just 5 hours. I'm blown away. James and the 3 lads that are working in the house, they have gone above and beyond on the first day. Cannot wait to see what it's going to look like tomorrow. We're just out in the middle of the land. We decided to have a quick play at the footprint for the first phase of the observatory, and you can probably just see Leo in the back over there. Leo, give us a wave. No. And then across you may just be able to see Matt, and then across to Rick. So we've just sort of plotted this out, and yeah, it's gonna be a whopper. Okay, the working day is now finished. They have been working for 6 hours. So, oh my God, wow, fair play to them. That roof's not looking good.
Better than I was expecting.
You think?
Yeah.
Day 2 of building work. It's absolutely beautiful here again, which is quite unusual for March, but everything's been unusual about the weather for everywhere this year so far, so we'll take it. We're just on the way to the house to meet Linda to discuss roofing options. So yeah, how are you feeling about it all today?
All right.
So we've just arrived on site and we've got here this morning. Bear in mind they didn't start till 8:15 and it's now 11:30, and they've had to keep stopping and starting due to the dust and things. But we now have no floor in the upstairs, what is going to be our bedroom, and no ceiling. In what's going to be the bathroom, we have no ceiling and we have no floor. And then Leo's room, again, we have no floor, no window and no ceiling. They are now starting to dig out the floors downstairs. And then outside, James is yet again here hard at work, and he has cleared so much more of it. I mean, the house and the street actually look like somebody gives a monkeys about being here. We're in our favourite place in the whole wide world when we're in Yambol. We are in Momo's. Matt has just ordered himself a shop skirt and it's come with what looks like either a pepper or a chilli. He's just about to find out.
So far. As soon as that camera goes off, it's going to be like,
Yeah, I can do that.
Taking Leo to the park in the middle of Yambol Centre Forest Park thing, and there's the pretty waterfall again. Just walking through Yambol Park and there's these weird things, giant statue things made of fabric. So I don't know what they are. They add a little bit of something to an already beautiful park. I cannot wait to get our land done. Well, more the house than the land, because once the house is done, Leo will be able to run around on the land. Loves to run around. He's a real outdoor kid. He has absolutely loved it. We've been out and about for nearly an hour and a half now, and still no sign of any tiredness. He's mental, this child. He really is. But he's running around, playing with all the leaves and the twigs and all the things that nature has to offer, and pretending he's a robot. It's Ladies' Day today, so I've cleaned the house from top to bottom that we're staying in and got the lads sorted. They're all fed and watered and happy, and now I'm on my way down to meet Linda, Tracy and probably half the village women. So exciting! My first village celebration. Yesterday was amazing. Had a lovely afternoon with Tracy and Linda. Got some fab footage of the local Bulgarian ladies dancing, and yeah, it was a nice afternoon. I'm now having a walk down to the house with Leo so we can get some footage of Thursdays and Fridays work that got done. I know I showed you the progression from when they'd finished on Thursday and a little bit from Friday morning, but we never got to go back Friday night when they'd finished before it got dark, and then yesterday I was really busy, so having a walk down today. I'm going to go and see just exactly what has been done. So all this is looking a lot clearer than it did. Oh, they've completely taken the window out here. In fact, it looks like they've completely taken the windows out downstairs. Yeah. Wow. Let's go and have a look what they've done inside. Oh wow. Yeah, they really dug down. I'd say they've dug down a good half foot. They've took the window out in here. Oh, they have started digging down in here because it's dropped a lot more in here now. Still needs dropping a hell of a lot more. Took all the windows out. They've dug down in 2 rooms, cleared all the rubbish out. Yeah, they've really cleared it out. Wow. Yeah, this room has just been cleared. But wow, 2 days, that's all it's took them. In 2 days they've knocked all the ceilings out except this one, the hallway one, but I'm assuming that's so they can get in and out. Started digging down, cleared all the mess out. Amazing, in only 2 days. Fabulous, absolutely amazing. And then, as you can see, James has done an absolutely phenomenal job. This was just all full of rubbish and dead trees, and yeah, you could tell no one had loved it in a long time. So he's done absolutely amazing with this. And then he has started on the garden inside, but unfortunately while all that rubbish and everything is there and it hasn't been burnt yet, there's not a great deal to do. 2 days and it already looks completely different. We've had a very productive day today. Well, I say productive, it's been an interesting day. Today was our first day of filming with a well-known Channel 4 programme. So yeah, we had our first day of filming and it was amazing. And can't wait to be able to share more with you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to follow us on our journey. A massive thank you to everyone that has already liked and subscribed. And if you haven't already, head on over to our Facebook page, Midlands to Mountains. The link is in the video description below. And we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.